Look at my baby pictures.
Yes, we'll get a little video of the babies. Yes.
Stupid.
Because that's all that they make for baby girls.
Oh no, I did not buy Nicole one pink outfit. I think I had 4.
Okay,
Pink on them anywhere.
let me rephrase that. That's what people give us.
We have blue.
Yeah.
Because I did not buy that outfit. People give us pink stuff.
See, I didn't buy that one either, so don't think I bought that.
That's right.
Ava Kinsley.
Ava and Kinsley? Yeah.
I do all I can not to buy pink.
Yes, it's a baby girls.
Even though pink's fine, it's just that everybody else buys pink.
See, that's the thing. You don't have to buy pink because everybody buys pink.
That's
My
right.
friend Sherry's baby shower, it looked like a bottle of Pepto-Bismol exploded in her living room. I mean, it was ridiculous.
Are you guys talking to each other? Now they can see each other.
Yeah. They just finally realized there was somebody next to them.
It's like, here, you lick my finger, I lick yours.
Ava Kinsley. Hey,
Like-
Ava Kinsley.
Yes.
And Lauren!
And Lauren.
She's a big girl.
That's right.
I love you. You're my little princess. And she's pretty sassy though.
She's pretty sassy.
Today she's pretty fat.
Pretty sassy. Okay.
Name is Shark.
Pretty sassy.
Tell you the question. What is school? He said,
My primary school. Her primary school staff. And my friends now.
Not this week.
Not the family.
Now my friends.
They're friends and family, right?
Mommy.
What?
Although my friends.
Yes, they're your family.
My
cousins.
Your cousins. And the babies again.
Lauren, this is my mommy.
That's Grandma Hawkins.
This is my mommy.
Mommy, this is Grandma Hawkins.
My mommy.
She.
That's my sister.
That's my mom.
No, that's my sister. That's my sister.
That's mine.
I'm hers.
That's mommy.
This is my nephew.
She's like, okay, that's fine. Oh no, we're getting sad. Ava, tell her it's going to be okay.
She has no sad babies.
It's overrated. It's only fun for a while.
Sad babies.
Ava. No, Ava.
No, stand here. Let's clip on you.
And we're happy.